Welcome to the spoken tutorial of Adobe PageMaker 7.0. In the previous tutorial, we have studied how to work with text. We then moved on to the paragraph. We also saw the tabs and indenting part of the paragraph. In this tutorial, we'll be studying some more features of paragraph. We'll be studying the basic styles of paragraph making. We will also be briefly discussing about the alignment of paragraphs. The paragraph styles can be selected by going into the type menu and clicking on style. There are a variety of styles available like body text, caption, hanging indent, headline, normal, subhead 1, subhead 2. We'll be briefly seeing some of them. First of all, to select a text, you have to click on it and drag the mouse over it. Here, Apple is a text which has to be given the type heading. So select it, go into the type menu, go on styles and select headline. You will see that the text will change as if it appears as if it is a headline. The headline would change the font size and will also make it bold. If there is a heading which is inside the main heading, or it is called a subheading, like here it is Apple 2GS, then we have to select it, go into type, go into style and select subhead 1. You will see that the font size is smaller, but still it looks as if it is a subheading. If you have another subheading inside it, then you can even go into subheading 2 and change your text. The next text will be changing is the first paragraph. Select it, go into the type menu, go into style and change it as the body text. See the difference. The paragraph will appear with a tabbed space of the first word. Initially, the paragraph was seen like this, which has now been changed to this. We can even keep the paragraph text normal. The second style which we'll be seeing is the hanging indent style. We will select the second paragraph, go into the type menu, go into style and select the hanging indent. See the changes on the screen. Here, the first word will appear a little left aligned and the rest of it will be left aligned. You can definitely see the difference between the body text and the hanging indent style. If you don't want the already defined styles, you can even create your own style by going into the type menu and going into the define styles option. The define styles option will open up a pop-up box which has already the defined styles in it. To create a new style, you have to go into the new menu. Another pop-up style will appear. You have to type the name which you want your style to be of. For example, I will type style new. Based on which of the styles, for example, I will choose caption. At the bottom of the pop-up bar, you will see the same style italic plus size 12 plus hyphenation. That is, the text will be based on this format. We can select the next style as the same style or no style or body text or whatever we want. We will keep it same style because we want it just to be like caption. You can even go on to another like normal. Then here the format will change. For example, normal italic plus size 12 plus hyphenation. Click on OK to define this new style. You will see that among the styles, now your style will also appear, which you can use by clicking the OK option. You can even edit and remove some of the already made styles by clicking on the edit option, going into the style which you want to edit and the editing options. You can even go into the paragraph styles here. You can change the paragraph spacing before and after. You can change the indents from the left, first and the right option. You can even keep options like lines together, column break, page break, according to your need. Click on OK button to edit it and click on the OK button to edit your style. Right now, we'll be going out of this menu bar by clicking the cancel option. Another thing which we will look in this tutorial is the alignment option. Click on the paragraph that you want to align. Click on type menu, go into the alignment option. Right now it is aligned left. If you want to justify it, click on the justify option. You can see that the text is aligned from both the left and the right hand side. The other options available are align center, align right, and force justify. The shortcut keys are already available on the right hand side of the bar. This way you can work with your styles in the alignment option. Another shortcut method of using the styles instead of going into the type menu every time is the right hand side bar, which you can see. The styles option, you can avail all the options that we saw by going into the type menu bar. You can even change the color of your paragraph, which we've already covered. This way, you can help your paragraph look more attractive and change it according to your need. Enjoy working with paragraph styles. Thank you.